Project monitoring and control is crucial for project success. It ensures projects stay on track, meet objectives, and deliver value. Monitoring involves tracking progress while control implements corrective actions. This dynamic duo helps manage changes, mitigate risks, and maintain quality. Effective project monitoring and control leads to better outcomes, satisfied stakeholders, and minimized surprises. Imagine a ship navigating the vast ocean. Without constant monitoring of its course and adjustments to the sails, it's easy to drift off track, encounter unforeseen obstacles, or even lose sight of the destination. Similarly, a project without proper monitoring and control can quickly veer off course, exceeding budgets, missing deadlines, or failing to meet stakeholder expectations. Project monitoring and control provides a structured framework for identifying deviations from the plan and taking corrective measures. It empowers project managers to make informed decisions, allocate resources efficiently, and keep the project aligned with its objectives. This proactive approach allows for early detection of potential problems, preventing them from escalating into major issues that could derail the entire project. By continuously monitoring project performance, risks, and quality, project teams can identify opportunities for improvement and implement best practices. This iterative process fosters a culture of learning and adaptation, enabling teams to enhance their efficiency and effectiveness over time. Ultimately, mastering project monitoring and control is essential for delivering successful projects that meet or exceed stakeholder expectations. Performance measurement is the cornerstone of effective project monitoring and control. It involves tracking key performance indicators, or KPIs, to assess project progress objectively. KPIs are measurable values that reflect the project's health and progress towards its goals. Examples include schedule adherence, budget variance, and deliverable completion rate. By regularly monitoring these KPIs, project managers can gain valuable insights into the project's performance. Deviations from the planned baseline can be quickly identified, allowing for timely corrective actions. For instance, if a project is falling behind schedule, the project manager can investigate the cause of the delay, adjust the schedule, or allocate additional resources to get the project back on track. Performance measurement also helps in evaluating the effectiveness of implemented corrective actions. By tracking KPIs over time, project managers can determine whether the implemented changes are yielding the desired results or if further adjustments are needed. This iterative process of monitoring, analyzing, and adjusting ensures that the project stays aligned with its objectives throughout its life cycle. Furthermore, performance measurement provides transparency and accountability to stakeholders. By regularly communicating project performance data, stakeholders can stay informed about the project's progress, understand the rationale behind decisions, and provide valuable feedback. This collaborative approach fosters trust and confidence, leading to greater stakeholder satisfaction and project success. Risk management is another critical component of project monitoring and control. It involves identifying, analyzing, and responding to potential events or conditions that could impact the project's objectives. Risks can be positive or negative, representing opportunities or threats to the project's success. Effective risk management starts with identifying potential risks through brainstorming sessions, expert interviews, or reviewing historical data from similar projects. Once identified, risks are analyzed based on their likelihood of occurrence and potential impact on the project. This analysis helps prioritize risks and allocate resources to those that pose the greatest threat or offer the most significant opportunities. After analyzing risks, the project team develops response strategies for each identified risk. Common risk response strategies include avoidance, mitigation, transference, and acceptance. For example, to mitigate the risk of a key team member leaving the project, a mitigation plan could involve cross-training other team members to ensure continuity. Risk management is not a one-time activity, but an ongoing process throughout the project lifecycle. As the project progresses, new risks may emerge, while existing risks may change in likelihood or impact. Regular risk reassessments and updates to the risk management plan are crucial to ensure the project remains resilient to potential disruptions. Quality control focuses on ensuring that project deliverables meet predefined quality standards and stakeholder expectations. It involves implementing processes and activities to monitor, inspect, and test deliverables throughout the project lifecycle. The goal is to identify and correct defects early, preventing them from impacting the final product or service. Quality control starts with defining clear quality standards and acceptance criteria for each deliverable. These standards should be measurable and aligned with stakeholder requirements. Once defined, inspection, testing, and review processes are established to verify that deliverables meet these standards. Regular inspections and audits are conducted throughout the project to assess the quality of work in progress. This allows for early detection of deviations from quality standards and enables corrective actions to be taken before defects become costly to fix. For example, regular code reviews in software development projects can help identify and address coding errors early on, preventing them from impacting the functionality of the final software. Testing is another crucial aspect of quality control. Different types of testing, such as unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing, are performed at various stages of the project to ensure that the deliverables function as intended and meet the specified requirements. Any defects identified during testing are documented, tracked, and resolved to maintain the desired level of quality. Section 5. Modern techniques for effective project monitoring and control. Traditional project monitoring and control methods often rely on manual data collection, spreadsheets, and Gantt charts. While these tools are still relevant, modern project management leverages technology to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. Project management software. Cloud-based project management software solutions like Asana, Monday.com, and Jira have revolutionized how teams collaborate and manage projects. These platforms offer real-time dashboards, automated reporting, and integrated communication tools, providing a centralized hub for tracking progress, managing tasks, and collaborating effectively. Data visualization and analytics. Data visualization tools transform raw project data into interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards, providing intuitive insights into project performance. These visualizations help identify trends, patterns, and potential issues that might not be apparent from raw data alone. Advanced analytics techniques can further enhance decision-making by uncovering hidden relationships and predicting future outcomes. Agile and lean methodologies. Agile and lean methodologies emphasize iterative development, continuous improvement, and close collaboration. These methodologies promote frequent feedback loops and adaptive planning, enabling teams to respond quickly to changing requirements, mitigate risks effectively, and deliver value incrementally. Section 6. Real-world applications, project monitoring, and control in action. The principles of project monitoring and control are applied across various industries and project types. Here are some real-world examples. Construction. In construction projects, monitoring involves tracking progress against the construction schedule, managing material deliveries, and ensuring adherence to building codes. Control measures might include adjusting the construction sequence, procuring additional resources, or implementing safety protocols to address unforeseen site conditions. Software development. Software development projects utilize agile methodologies for iterative development and continuous improvement. Monitoring focuses on tracking sprint progress, identifying roadblocks, and managing the product backlog. Control measures include adjusting sprint goals, prioritizing tasks, and facilitating communication between developers and stakeholders. Event planners use project monitoring and control to coordinate vendors, manage budgets, and ensure a seamless event experience. Monitoring involves tracking RSVPs, managing catering orders, and coordinating logistics. Control measures might include securing backup vendors, adjusting the event layout, or implementing crowd control measures. Effective communication is paramount for successful project monitoring and control. It ensures that all stakeholders are informed about the project's progress, potential risks, and any required adjustments. Regular communication fosters transparency, builds trust, and enables timely decision-making. Project managers should establish clear communication channels and protocols at the beginning of the project. Regular status meetings, progress reports, and risk assessments should be scheduled to keep stakeholders informed. These communication channels should facilitate two-way communication, allowing stakeholders to ask questions, raise concerns, and provide feedback. When communicating project performance, it's crucial to present information clearly and concisely. Using visual aids like graphs, charts, and dashboards can enhance understanding and highlight key trends. Additionally, tailoring communication to the specific needs of different stakeholder groups ensures that everyone receives relevant and actionable information. Effective communication is not just about disseminating information, but also about actively listening to stakeholders. By fostering an environment of open communication, project managers can gather valuable insights, address concerns promptly, and make well-informed decisions that contribute to project success. Project monitoring and control is not only about keeping projects on track, but also about learning and improving from each project experience. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can enhance their project management practices, minimize risks, and increase the likelihood of future project success. At the end of each project, conducting a thorough post-project review is essential. This involves gathering feedback from stakeholders, analyzing project performance data, and identifying lessons learned. The goal is to understand what went well, what could have been done better, and how to apply these learnings to future projects. Lessons learned can encompass various aspects of the project, including communication effectiveness, risk management practices, quality control processes, and stakeholder engagement. Documenting these lessons learned in a centralized knowledge base makes them readily accessible for future projects. Furthermore, organizations should strive to continuously improve their project monitoring and control processes by incorporating new tools, techniques, and best practices. This could involve adopting new project management software, implementing data visualization tools, or training project managers on advanced risk management methodologies. Implementing effective project monitoring and control practices yields numerous benefits for organizations and project teams. Increased project success rate. By proactively identifying and addressing potential issues, project monitoring and control minimizes risks and increases the likelihood of delivering projects on time, within budget, and to the required standards. Improved resource utilization. By tracking resource allocation and usage, organizations can optimize resource allocation, minimize waste, and ensure that resources are used effectively throughout the project lifecycle. Enhanced decision-making. Real-time project data and performance insights enable project managers to make informed decisions promptly, leading to more effective problem-solving and course correction. Increased stakeholder satisfaction. Regular communication and transparency about project performance foster trust and confidence among stakeholders, leading to greater satisfaction with project outcomes. Continuous improvement. By embracing lessons learned and incorporating best practices, organizations can continuously enhance their project management methodologies, improve efficiency, and increase the success rate of future projects. Project monitoring and control is an indispensable aspect of effective project management, ensuring projects stay on course, meet objectives, and deliver exceptional results. By mastering the key components of performance measurement, risk management, and quality control, project managers can navigate complexities, mitigate challenges, and steer projects towards success. Modern techniques such as project management software, data visualization tools, and agile methodologies empower teams to monitor progress, identify potential issues, and implement corrective actions efficiently. By embracing continuous improvement and incorporating lessons learned from each project, organizations can refine their project monitoring and control processes, enhancing their ability to deliver successful projects consistently. In today's dynamic business environment, mastering project monitoring and control is not just an option, but a necessity for organizations striving to achieve their strategic goals and maintain a competitive edge. By investing in the right tools, techniques, and training, organizations can empower their project teams to deliver exceptional results and drive organizational success.